is an AC source, right? This is an AC source, uh, and let me connect one wire here with the AC source, and this is a wire AC source, and let me connect one more wire like this. Yes. Now let me connect here a wire till this place, and let me take two bulbs. This is one bulb, and let me take another bulb. It's another bulb. Okay, let me take three bulbs. This is another three bulbs are there. I need three separate switches for that, so let me take one more switch here because I want to operate separately, independently, all these bulbs. So now let me connect the wire here with the bulbs. So it has to be connected like this, right? And one more wire. So this should not be connected. One more wire connected to this one. And from here, let me take one wire like this. And let this be connected here. And let me connect this. An AC source. This will glow, no doubt. If I put on the switch, you can find that this is glowing, right? Now, since this is an parallel circuit, so let me connect this also parallel to this. Now I'm connecting this wire. Okay, here also I'll connect. Now I'll let me connect this wire here and this wire to this bulb, and let me complete the circuit for the second bulb. Now I'm trying to complete the circuit for the second bulb. You can see here, right? I can directly connect also. Now if I put on this one, this is only glowing. This is not glowing, but this is only glowing. That means that the switches are independent. So now this is a parallel circuit, household circuit. We call it as household circuit, and household circuits are always parallel circuits. Now let me connect this also, this wire to this. Now this has become a parallel circuit. If I want that all the bulbs should glow, so let me put this switch. So let me put this switch on. It's glowing. Let me put this switch also on. This is also glowing. Let me put this switch on. Now this is also glowing. All the three bulbs are glowing and they are independent, right? Now the question comes key where to connect the fuse. If suppose I connect the fuse in parallel, suppose I connect here. Let me remove this. Let me connect one more wire, two wires here in order to connect a fuse here. Okay, I'm wire. One junction is here. I made connect here. Now what is happening? Now let me take off this fuse. Let me remove it, and let me remove this wire also. This wire also, and let me keep this fuse now here. Right? It's connected. Now you can see that the bulbs are glowing. Right? Now you can see that the bulbs are glowing and the fuse is working here if you are connected in series. So there is short circuit. Now short circuit means was the wires are directly connected. Suppose something heats up and these two wires they get stick together to each other, the phase and neutral. Then what happens here? So what happens here? You can see it start burning, and The property of a fuse wire is that whenever temperature of the wire increases, it melts very fast. Now, whenever it melts fast means it will break itself. So whenever it break itself means what happens? The circuits get disconnected like this. Let me explain again. This is a household circuit with parallel connection, right? Now let me keep one conductor wire here. If I keep the conductor wire here, you can see that. Let me connect this one here. Let me connect this one here. As soon as I connect here, you can see that because of the short circuit here in this bulb, there is a short circuit here. Because of the short circuit, what is happening? It is getting the temperature of this part is getting increased because of the fire. Here also fire has taken place. Here are the fire. Now the melting point of the fuse wire is very low. The melting point of the fuse wire is very low. The resistance wire which we have taken as a fuse wire, if the melting point of that is very low, then quickly what will happen? Quickly it will melt and it will break, and whenever it breaks, it is something like it is removed from the circuit itself. Whenever it is removed from the circuit, so what happens? All the appliances, everything is saved because the circuit is broken here. When the circuit broken here, then no current passes through it. Now when once we find out where is the problem and how can we fix the problem, so let me fix this bulb in a different position. Now it is connected here. Now let me connect this. Now again I keep the fuse here. Now let me again uh, fix the fuse here. Then you will find that the current is flowing.